If you've been sleeping on Flamingo Finance in 2025, you're about to get hit with a wake-up call. We're talking LPs as collateral, smart auto routing, FUSD expansion, trading bots, and a full-on DAO dropping soon. This is the updated roadmap for Flamingo Finance heading into the second half of 2025. Let's break it down. So kicking it off strong, LP tokens are about to become way more powerful. Flamingo's actually enabling LP tokens to be used as collateral in Flamingo Lend. So if you're farming liquidity on Flamingo, you won't have to unstake or exit the pool in order to unlock capital. You'll be able to collateralize your LP tokens and boom, take out FUSD loans directly against it. Now that's an upgrade that boosts your capital efficiency and it lets your liquidity positions do double duty. Next up, FLOCKS. It's evolving. Soon, you'll be able to trade the FLOCKS and FUSD pair on the Order Book Plus. And this gives users a more stable route for long-term exposure, especially for those who prefer pegged assets over volatile pairs. I mean, at the end of the day, it's all about building sustainable dividend strategies. Next up, Flamingo's ramping up its cross-chain support. They're adding new bridge-supported tokens in the coming months in order to expand trading pairs and increase TVL. So expect smoother trading, deeper liquidity, and a more broad range of assets. And looking ahead, Flamingo's cross-chain is also on the way. It's a custom-built bridge that lets users swap assets between blockchains with zero platform or liquidity risk. This isn't just another bridge, it's full-chain interoperability built directly into the ecosystem. Alright, now let's get into FLOCKS for a little bit. The new SmartFLOCKS system is a game changer. When minting FLOCKS, the protocol will auto-route your purchase to the Order Book Plus if it's cheaper than using FLM. Basically, it prevents you from overpaying. Ever. So with that being said, the SmartFLOCKS system is solid, especially when it comes to getting the most bang for your buck when it comes to FLOCKS. Convert 2.0 is dropping soon as well. It's a fully revamped swap feature that instantly lets users trade tokens without ever touching the Order Book Plus. It's perfect for users who want the ease of a DEX swap but still benefit from the underlying liquidity. Now let's talk stables. Flamingo's releasing an over-collateralized liquidity contract that basically allows users to swap USDT and other stablecoins into FUSD directly, and vice versa. So if you've got Tether, you can swap to FUSD in seconds and instantly use it to trade, lend, or buy their tokens. No middle steps needed. This means more seamless entries into the Flamingo ecosystem, plus better utility for FUSD all across the board. Developers, listen up. Flamingo's dropping a JavaScript library, basically an SDK, so that anyone can integrate token swaps or liquidity pools directly on their own site, which is really badass in my opinion, because it makes Flamingo Finance as a DeFi platform way more decentralized than it already is, and it just makes it more accessible for other people. This next one has been highly requested by users, which is the Token Auction Offering Platform, or the DAO. Projects will be able to launch their token on Flamingo Finance through an on-chain auction system. And once successful, they'll get their own AMM pair instantly on the platform. It's a win for token creators and a way to bootstrap liquidity on day one. Flamingo is also going full DAO. A dedicated governance contract is coming, which allows FLOCKS holders to propose and vote on protocol changes, emissions, listings, and more. This isn't like some Discord poll or a mod vote. This is full on-chain governance. It's transparent, verifiable, and the best part, enforceable. Flamingo becomes community steered. Hold up. Algorithmic trading just entered the chat. Flamingo will soon support automated trading bots that execute based on user-defined rules, strategies, and market signals. No more emotional trading. Let the bots handle the execution while you focus on strategy. It's basically perfect for serious traders who want that 24/7 precision. FLM tokenomics are also getting some attention. The team continues to optimize FLM emissions to ensure sustainability and to keep the platform attractive for new users, liquidity providers, and protocol growth. This isn't like set it and forget it. FLM emissions are evolving with the platform. Now let's talk analytics. Everyone loves analytics, right? The analytics dashboard is getting a full UI and performance refresh. You can expect faster load times, cleaner visualizations, and better access to key metrics. And beyond that, Flamingo's continuously making user experience upgrades for both beginner and advanced users. Everything from onboarding flow to power user shortcuts. Flamingo is just on top of the game when it comes to user experience. It doesn't matter if it's someone who's super new to the platform or an experienced DeFi veteran. And for the community, you've got AMA Lagoon streaming sessions live on Discord every month. Plus, you got other stuff like YouTube tutorials, podcasts, and guides dropping regularly. New user guides and tutorials will continue coming out as the platform evolves to demystify DeFi and bring more users into the fold. Check this out, a new community hub is here, and it's called the Flock. It's kinda like the FLM Hodlers program, but focused on flocks. It'll be the place to discuss strategy, shape direction, or just vibe with the team. And beyond that, Flamingo's honestly going all in on growth. More partnerships, more ads, more ambassador campaigns, more educational content, more dev tools. All of it is designed to onboard the next wave of DeFi users. You can also expect to see more trading competitions all year long on Orderbook Plus, with fresh prize pools, FUSD rewards, and of course, leaderboard bragging rights. Basically, if you're active, strategic, and consistent, you'll get rewarded for it. So yeah, second half of 2025, it's looking fire for Flamingo. So whether you're yield farming, trading, or just stacking flocks, there's never been a better time to dive in. If you're ready to join the next chapter of DeFi on Neo, tap in, stay informed, and of course, join the flock.